Welcome to Ambay Etching process, your trusted partner in precision laser engraving for shoe molds. Our state-of-the-art laser engraving technology ensures ultra-precise detailing, transforming ordinary molds into masterpieces of texture and design. From fine leather grain textures to bold, deep patterns, our laser engraving process brings unmatched sharpness, depth, and consistency. Unlike traditional methods, laser engraving offers precise depth control, zero distortions, and repeatable perfection, ensuring superior mold performance. Whether you need microtexturing, custom branding, or unique patterns, we provide flawless accuracy for every design, enhancing the final shoe's aesthetics and durability. Every mold undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure perfection in detailing and longevity, making us the preferred choice for top footwear brands. Laser engraved molds ensure enhanced grip, texture precision, and flawless finish, elevating the look and performance of every shoe. Transform your shoe molds with next-level engraving precision. Partner with Ambay Etching process for innovation.